Imagine if the world's most powerful AI tools faced off in a digital arena, each fighting to prove who creates the future of imagination. Sora brings motion, Midjourney paints the vision, and ChatGPT commands the words. But what happens when creativity itself becomes the battlefield? In today's AI-driven world, every creator is caught between power and precision, and no tools represent that clash better than OpenAI's Sora, Midjourney, and ChatGPT. Each tool transforms imagination differently. One crafts cinematic visuals, another paints surreal worlds, and the third gives them meaning through words. But beyond the algorithms lies something deeper. How far can human creativity go when powered by artificial intelligence? Today, we'll explore how these AIs collide, collaborate, and redefine what it means to create. Welcome to the AI Battle of Imagination, where code meets consciousness. Enter Sora, OpenAI's groundbreaking text-to-video model, a machine that doesn't just render motion, but emotion. With a single prompt, it builds entire worlds, crafting stories where physics bend and creativity knows no walls. Imagine typing a cyberpunk Tokyo at sunrise, and within seconds, watching it unfold in cinematic glory, light scattering across neon signs, raindrops gliding down chrome rooftops, every frame alive. Sora's power lies in its contextual intelligence, understanding not just what you describe, but why you describe it. It fuses storytelling with physics, narrative with movement. It's not just generating video, it's animating thought. But every power has a limit. Sora still struggles with long sequences, human emotion subtleties, and the uncanny valley effect. And yet, every update pushes it closer to becoming the director's dream. As creators, we stand at a threshold where visual storytelling no longer depends on a camera, but on imagination itself. When you see Sora's fluid battles, cityscapes, and dreamlike transitions, remember, this is the beginning of a new cinematic era, where anyone can think a movie into existence. If Sora is the director, then Midjourney is the artist, the one who paints in impossible colors. Midjourney's strength lies in abstraction. It's not about realism, but resonance. It visualizes concepts too surreal for the human eye, and too emotional for simple pixels. Using prompt mastery, creators are designing AI-generated worlds, fashion lines, architecture, and even game environments. Midjourney 7's new adaptive lighting and composition tools allow artists to refine images like a true digital renaissance. But here's the twist. When paired with ChatGPT, the synergy explodes. Words become brushstrokes. Prompts become portals. Together, they form the foundation for what's now called AI collaborative creation, where human ideas and machine interpretation merge seamlessly. Every great story begins with words, and ChatGPT is where those worlds are born. Acting as the storyteller, scriptwriter, and creative partner, ChatGPT turns scattered ideas into structured art. It doesn't just write, it reasons, improvises, and refines. Creators are using it to script animations, build narratives for Sora-generated videos, and even write lore for Midjourney worlds. With GPT-5's reasoning upgrades and contextual long memory, it's now capable of keeping story arcs consistent across entire video series. When Sora and Midjourney are the body and soul of creativity, ChatGPT is its mind. It connects, conceptualizes, and completes, ensuring that AI doesn't replace the creator, but amplifies them. The era of creation has evolved, from brushes to pixels, from prompts to consciousness. Whether you're animating with Sora, painting with Midjourney, or scripting with ChatGPT, remember this: The real power isn't in the tools, but in you. If you found this battle inspiring, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI tool you'd bet on in the next round. Because the future of imagination is just getting started.